they even bother indicating? Does nobody ever bother to look where they're going? What is the matter with these people? Ew. Oh, come on! What is the matter with you idiots? And another one. Oh, I'm indicating left here. And of course no one's going to look before they cross the road. Just going to push the kid into the road without bothering to check if there's any traffic coming. Another smartphone zombie. Ah, oh, come on! There's a crossing right there. Don't understand how crossing works, pair of idiots. Hell, it's like I'm invisible out here sometimes. Bloody hell, doesn't press the button, doesn't look before crossing. Some people are so bloody stupid. Didn't even look. Oh, just gonna walk out in front of me. Bloody moron. And of course, as usual, a bunch of morons that don't understand how a crossing works. Pavement there, pavement there, but walks in the cycle path. And there's a horde of wandering zombies strolling across the road, nobody looking where they're going. Bunch of bloody morons. Straight into the road without looking. She must really hate those kids. Look at this idiot, not even looking where he's going, shuffling along like a zombie. Too busy playing with his phone to look before he crosses the road. Fucking idiot. Footpath on either side as she walks in the road. A horde of zombies in the road.
Sorry.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Just walks out in front of me without even looking. Bloody smartphone zombie. Oh, for fuck's sake. Bloody zombies. We're indicating left that the smartphone zombie isn't going to stop. Not a clue what's going on around him. Another horde of zombies wandering around in the road.